Here I have Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to slow motion mode, and here we can record slow motion videos. So let's record this toilet paper rolling. So let's get it. So yeah, we got this, and now let's check out how it looks like. So as you can see on this video, this toilet paper rolls extremely slow, extremely cool, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. It's a breakdancing toilet paper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.